Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV. If you didn't watch us, congratulations. But spread the word to your loved ones and tell them, say, anywhere for inside Obodo Nigeria, on top of Wazobia TV, they watch us live from 10 to 11. They discuss all the topics that affect us inside Obodo Nigeria. Aside Hot, Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazim, they're inside studio and we discuss all the story when we discuss from this week. Before we go that break, Unkubi, we want to drop one very, very strong question. Unkubi, over to you.
So the question I want to ask is, we then the judiciary. We go talk say somehow a deliberate attempt from the government not to fund so that in moments like this they go feed they see this kind of cases they win or this kind of corruption cases they easily get now. Because if not so it be, what did they say this present administration? Because still under this present administration, we don't see the drama they play. What did they say this present administration will feed you to at least to strengthen, because we don't talk say strengthen the judiciary. There are steps that need to be taken. What did they say the present administration will feed you to ensure say at least this kind of funding of this judiciary will be very strong, and also to ensure say at least cases and matter we go fit see the end and in a due course. Nobody say that will go stretch reach hundreds of years. We no go do this thing.
The thing is say I no go talk say the government intentionally paralyze judiciary by financially by stifling them, by stifling funds. I don't think so. I don't want to think so, particularly with this present administration. What I have to say they're supposed to do is say, may they increase the allocation. May they reset the priorities. May they increase the allocation and monitor it. Because now one thing to increase, another thing to monitor. You understand? Because person be lawyer, not be saying na saint. Person the judge, no mean say na saint. Person be FCC chairman, no mean say na saint. Because as it be now, we hear say that they chase our former Attorney General. Whether he do and whether he not do, another thing for the court to decide. We hear say that they chase former EFCC chairman. It means that there be human beings where they don't breed with this Nigeria or maybe with the former Nigerian blood. We try change the kind blood with their body. Maybe say our eyes they chook like hair. We say anything we just to grab as much as possible. So now to give more funds and monitor it properly. Monitor it to the last couple. I think that is that's one
give
solution.
More fund and monitor it properly.
And that's one thing that could.
Very, very true. Barrister, we go hope say under this present dispensation, our Oga President don't talk am, and he believes say everybody way they work with them agree. Say Nigerians talk say we no go support bad thing for inside this our country. This country belong to all of us, and we go do our best to see say this country dey well. And make we come go on that topic when I know say you go find them very, very interesting because you na Nigerian and all of us in the affect. We been here say January 19th, this Tuesday when pass. The Honorable Minister of Health talk say make all the people when be say they get mouth for inside health matter for inside Nigeria, make them join us for important meeting for inside Abuja and to discuss this issue of Lassa fever. Based on say lawyer now, make I just look at from three angles. Now, number one, what is supposed to be the responsibility of government for issues like this? Shana say our government go look say because if we call something emergency now, something we say we supposed to do sharp. But if the talk say the first case when they report now for August last year, and we call the emergency meeting for January 2016, Shana say we no take them serious. That one and number one on the part of government. Number two, our health sector. You think say we need to do some kind of things to use give and blood? I be they okay the way when it's day. Then number three, Nigerian people. We they get perception. A lot of people talk say because of say this disease, na poor man sickness, na he make them they drag their leg. So how we go take figure society when we say if something happen, we no go first look at us now because I be poor man no, now because you be big man no. We go just look at us now because we be Nigerian. 3 in 1.
You go to remind me because this bombardment. I think say the first thing be reorientation. We will reorientate ourselves. Say the willingness to serve and doing the right thing without being prickled. You understand? When we put things in place, say now seamlessly the things go to work.
We don't need
agent to come. So there's at least we get them a National Emergency Management Agency. We get for all the states. What all those ones they do?
Thank you.
You understand? We get the Ministry of Health. We get different things where we say they're supposed to just and you know say some disease. They never start. They don't just start now. Last time now, it be like say now maybe in 1969. Now the first discover and a Nigerian disease. Now we import now we export. You understand? So So we suppose don't get seamless to where they work. If this thing happen, who do we report to? What is
before
done?
the thing spread.
Quarantine center.
Considering the fact
Quarantine center suppose don't
exactly.
Not be the one we just they build. At least from the Ebola experience, we suppose don't learn. Not be now we just suppose every time we go there review the oil, we go there and see one thing every administration must know is that government is a continuum. It's a continuous process. You know, go talk say because the last government now PDP. Now when they will
start again,
we go just throw away everything.
Exactly.
Because I feel say
tell them.
Don't point at me.
I think say during the
Don't point at me.
During the Ebola period, I think say at least the last government. They tried
I bet you go talk this in again here. Talk again here.
I know say Lagos work hand in hand
with the federal government.
Even
no
though
jealousy, no envy.
PDP or APC.
Thank you.
I think this particular government should take a coup from that.
Exactly.
They know what is right. They know what should be done, but they should have the willingness to do it.
Exactly.
And not wait for problems to erupt before they go start to the scramble, the run, say, what did happen? Or when the thing don't reach one stage, you'll say people don't die finish. And that they go just wake up, say, we'll start to the work.
But
No,
you
may
mentioned
I answer the second one? May I answer the
but
second
now still
one?
part of the willingness. You said something about the willingness.
Yeah.
If to say this thing was maybe under similar disease like Ebola, to say person will remind you of willingness. I've been just because of say somehow this one.
They say I don't know, maybe this poor man thing we talk. They say rich man don't forget lassa.
No, most people they talk say the reason why then they drag leg.
So now you know say like rat.
They cause maybe we stop to chop garri.
Rat and all that. You know say now rich man, poor man food most often.
But I don't think that is why the government is. But the government is trying. You just want them to try more.
Exactly.
And make them not wait for when problem don't reach
stage before
they
they find out a solution to that.
So now to set their priorities right. About the health system. Health sector.
Upon say we don't they put plenty money inside all these budgets.
Health sector no well at all because I'm involved in that sector too as a medical and health lawyer. So I know what's in the happen for them. The doctors no agree with other other medical staff. They say who be your guy,
we pass.
Now we pass. So that problem is very and you know that sector. Now one of the sectors they call essential services. We're not supposed to strike. Now then they go strike pass. I think there must be this Nigerian spirit. I will not like ourselves. People go they die. People no care. But the government must do.
No pay you.
Yes, no. I understand. The government must do its bidding. But many times when you look at the reasons for this strike, it's not because of the masses, and some of the times also is not because of the payment. You understand? So you can. It's understandable when they don't pay your money. But when some other issues, I believe these issues must be settled amicably. Make everybody know in level. Make doctors, make other workers know say doctor now the leader of the team. But make doctor also allow others to also rise. You understand? You be leader. No mean say make other people no enjoy. Make everybody enjoy. So I think there's need for more harmonious relationship in that sector for this country to move forward.
Barrister, this one where you don't talk now, don't show say most times we they like, don't be saying a bad thing, but we they like carry blame, say na government. But this one where you don't talk, don't they very, very glaring, say everybody gets their contribution.
We get our contribution, no. If you go many general hospital, you go, if you sick, you feel die. You feel that because the way they're going to take, they treat you. They will just leave you say
on top of this one we talk about the commitment, we, of course, you don't even give example. But then, these things now something they play out often for hospitals. They say they will carry patients come, emergency cases, and they just say, especially for general hospital, you just say, before they go even attend to that person, if they take longer, if they stretch. Okay, the government, what I say the government also know say all these things they play out. Because it is also their role to ensure say, okay, for us to be able to save lives, for us to be able to at least ensure say our sector they see. They're supposed, what thing those things they say they're supposed to implement so at least these people go know say our job make we do them.
I think say we not fit put the blame on the workers totally because sometimes they're very overworked. Shift where about 5 people suppose that one person they do. You understand? So sometimes you can't blame them, but we still need these human feelings. Human feelings that want to.
Oga Barrister, you go hold on. Oga Igo, good morning from Abuja.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi. We wear glass.
I agree with Oga Igo.
The market greet the next man. Our commentator with the talk petati we no say yes say Oga Chukudi they speak truth. I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
The controversial Ukubuena they talk truth. I greet you. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning, Oga Igo.
The matter of today and the I carry come. they talk better thing, but they treat me well. Because he talks say during time of good luck, to Jonathan, Ebola the attacker with that is declared state of emergency for Ebola. Why is this now? This government never declare state of emergency for this bad virus where they chop people they finish. Waiting with our health sector, matter with the practice urbanism for this our health sector. We never go far. You never see a medical doctor who's supposed to see 10 patients a day. They go line up 50 patients. They wait for her. Make it see. That was not good. Then also the matter of say about pipeline. Buhari they travel out. They negotiate, they sign deals. We don't need police. We don't need military. We don't need militants to guide our pipeline. Bring in the right equipment, technology. We go survey anywhere you do. If you do inside your control room, you see anywhere pipeline pass. Your cameras everywhere. If you go to advanced country, they pay anybody billions to guard pipeline. No way, because they're dead or alive. They'll come to them. Just put equipment there. The pipeline will be guided. No need for to the go. Our president travel at the cities. Let him bring all those the good things ready for that country. Make it copyright to Nigeria so that Nigeria will good. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution all the way from Abuja. We go collect this call from Olukotun. Olukotun, they call us all the way from Ilupeju. Oga Olukotun, welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello, welcome. How things they go?
We did fine, Oga Olukotun.
The thing when you they talk for this for studio today, the thing get as a deal, my brother.
Okay.
You go see small man where they say he go commit offense now, and the kind day where they talk say he go make it go bring. The thing go come to say water don't pass Gary. Now he be like say we won't carry waiting that they call them bazooka keep butterfly. But waiting like the thing where the lawyer talk for studio now. The problem where we get for this country, the thing don't enter, it don't eat everywhere. And everybody, all hands must be on deck. Like everything where they happen now, just like waiting in talk. Government, everybody, regardless of your party, make everybody join hand, build this country, make everything work. I hope so you they hear me. Now the thing where we they talk with that. But not for say some people see this, some people what thing we won't do. Now Lassa don't come now. Federal government should stop blaming states, no do their work. Now everybody, nobody where this thing no fear affect. Now the thing where they tire us with it. Now every day we they go on here, they talk all this thing. We want change. Real change, not be saying now for map people go they talk say they want do that. The thing get us to be make God help us.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. We really appreciate them well. Our Ogbonge visitor been talking say no be just government or our own. All of us must join hands together to ensure say we do them and we get them right. Quick one, we go enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back from where we did now, we go to see the final bus stop on top of today's episode on Aside Hot. No go anywhere. Now, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. We they come back. Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazim, there inside studio. And we will discuss all the action story from this week. Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam, there on top of our telephone line. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Great to know. Good morning.
We greet you, Oga Bobby.
First of all, the credit whether they give Goodluck administration for Ebola. Not be to Goodluck administration. First of all, now to the doctors, where sacrifice to make sure they solve the problem. Not be Goodluck administration. Goodluck administration, they not do anything where they say you could say now they get the credit to they give the credit to them because the doctors they come back from riots to come solve the problem because the problem is not only for Nigeria, now West Africa problem. So they came out and they solved that problem. So me not say that Goodluck administration now carry what he wanted to do, what he know. First of all, the tip say this what they go on now, this Lassa fever. Now something where we say, hello?
Right on.
Yeah, the thing is say, not be say it affect likely the place where we say 30 days. So it make you can't really know how to tackle them. You understand me now? Because if you look to the areas that when we say the attack, now places where we say people they gather many and with, information. Now I want to what we say Nigeria need to pass on, pass information to people, flyers and all that to if they won't carry. People want to go there announce them on the speaker, they drive past for we car they pass the places they announce and say. Muna CID sickness bill, not do this or not do that to in local languages and all that. Enable more information. That is how it's supposed to handle that. But I don't think say the way that they handle them, it did very poorly. But they need to do more effort. That's what they are seeing for inside. Then our judicial system, government need to pass a law where they say it go affect the big men because. Big man, they get slap on the wrist. While poor man, they get a good sentence. So that's what I want to contribute for the day.
Bobby, thank you very, very much. You always they use where you they call from. They give example. Say if we need to advance our democracy, as we they learn good things from people, we suppose they apply them so that things go there well. Oga Charles, they call us all the way from Festac Town. Oga Charles, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Charles.
Yeah, I agree to now.
We hear you, right on.
Okay, what I want to talk about now, our constitution, because law, they protect our big men for this country. You get the kind of money where you go chop, they will give you a certain amount of money to pay. You understand? And it's not good at all. Concerning the vandalization, where they go on for Niger Delta now. The government is supposed to find out what make these boys they do all these things. We have to go through the route and find out what is the problem, not sending soldiers to go and keep people there. No.
Oga Charles.
Yeah.
You dey hear me? Make I ask you one quick question.
Okay.
You think say if you not happy with how things they happen for the country, now by to destroy things when belong to all of us. You think that the solution to the problem with that?
Or make it present and tender your matter to government so that they go know, okay, see why the reason why then they complain. Oga Charles.
Oga Charles, you know there. Be like say the network no agree Oga Charles. But quickly we go like make we emphasize say even though we get freedom of expression and everybody supposed to express themselves, we get OSAS. Festus, they call us all the way from Ikoyi. Oga Festus, welcome to Aside Hot.
Una do well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I dey see una talk, I dey hear una talk. For the talk, una dey carry they give us. God will bless you now.
Amen.
Thank you.
I beg, if authority they hear all this word where una they talk.
Will they hear you, Oga Festus? Continue.
If authority they hear the talk when una they talk and when all of us they talk. You see, when Ebola come, now everybody fight out.
Yes.
See this rapid sickness now when it come now. Nobody know where it come from. But all those rats will get out for our bedroom, get out for everywhere. Why government not do one better thing now? May they produce medicine when they go fit kill and share now for everybody. That one they're not go fit chop now. They're not going to go sell out for another person.
Thank you very much for that. I know for sure, say the Lagos State, our doctors, them, and the working hand in hand with the Ministry of Health, they'll be enter inside market. Just put some kind of things for some places, talk, say this rat, they'll come chop them, and they'll come back the next day to come clear all these parts. So not be like, say, they just sit down, they fold their arms. And like we don't talk on top of this program, say, like our Ogbonge visitor talk, government self, they do in best. we go try protect ourselves, but we go see the demand more from them. Say that they do wetin dey very, very right. Barrister, yes. We don't reach the point when we say, now it even depend on say, make we not allow you go. But we thank God, say, anytime we call you, they come. And we know, say, when we extend invitation again to you, you go still come again. We go shake your hand because you don't try well, and you don't answer all our questions. We go good, make we emphasize to our people when they for house, say, as Nigerians, even though sometimes we feel no they happy with waiting we feel say they happen for inside this our country, but violence, say fight, kill, bomb, shoot, no be the way to answer all of these things. And you get ways when we use seek redress. I go speak English. If we go court, go see, say, okay, well, this thing when they happen, I don't like them. Or through the way when we say we gather ourselves together, we speak out with one voice, just like we do on top of us in the odds, so that those when the leaders for this country go here and do the right thing. Government belong to all of us, not be only those when they Aso Rock or those when they various state houses. Since this country belong to all of us must contribute. So make we stop to the look, make we begin to participate for inside the process. We go lock our shop today, carry key go, but our ear go there for ground. All of the action today when go happen for Nigeria over the weekend, we'll carry and come on Monday, drop them, tear nylon on top, can't give you the thing as the hot. Until we come back Monday with plenty story, when they come up plenty smoke. Sit down well. Waiting be this way you
don't. How many times don't seek redress?
Why you
go just carry matter they try.
Why they sit down like
you talk through for your mind, Abi?
Must you support yourself? Can't you sit well? Can't you sit well?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.